Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video lesson, I am going to teach you the smart way to improve your English. So let's get started with the tutorial. So, you heard many people say if you want to improve your English, you can watch English news or go to classes, watch documentaries. Now, this is a good way, but not the smarter way. Today we are learning smart ways to learn English, to speak English. So, there are 5 smart steps that you can take and learn English in some kind of smart way. Firstly, when you want to learn a new language, you got to enjoy the process and you need keep enjoying it. Since today, I will help you with some easy steps. Second, if you really wanna improve your English, you have to make it habit to practice this all steps which I am telling you. You gotta practice for a minimum of 15 minutes every day or for a maximum of however long you want. I suggest 1 hour a day is good to start. Third, easy video content. For example, cartoons, because there the language used is super simple. This is the easiest way to improve your English. If you don't watch cartoons and if you don't enjoy many cartoons, then you can watch other video content which you can enjoy, for example YouTube, Netflix shows. And if you don't want to watch also shows on Netflix and video content on YouTube, then you can watch cricket and other sports English commentary. Go watch a lot of commentaries. Basically, choose a piece of video content that you enjoy watching, and that will be the trick for you and help you improve on your English. Also, keep in mind that is just the first solution, watching commentary and video content. If you are one of them who doesn't enjoy video content, that's okay. If you enjoy listening to the radio, podcasts, do that. Fourth, smart way is reading a little bit of simple English. I suggest you go and pick up an ICSE 10th standard textbook. It got a lot of short stories. Some people pick up a language better by reading it. So you can also go for that. You gotta to figure out what is the best for you, what you enjoy the most, and do that things every single day, minimum of 15 minutes. Fifth, observation. Once you get in a habit of practicing, then you observe the English language from the outside. You don't have to learn a lot of big words, but you have to focus on sentence construction. Watching video content, you'll see that some ways in which construct their sentence are different way from where you think. Anytime you spot the difference in the content you are watching or listening or reading, after this you realize that isn't the way you speak English, and that's where your English might have a small mistake. Pick up on that mistake, keep it in your mind, practice it how much time you can just observe English from the outside. Once you figured out sentence construction, then you can think of vocabulary or learning big or new words. But first, understand how English is spoken, and it only going to happen when you have that ability to understand spoken English. When you practice watching it, observing it in your own life. Now, this is another thing. When you practicing spoken English, then you have to talk in English with other people. Might you make mistakes? It's perfectly alright. If people point out your mistakes, you remember them rest of your life. Your English improve in the process, and don't think what are people saying about your English. because you have to become the best version of yourself in every aspect of your life. That's all about today's video lesson. I hope you liked it. If you want to watch such more tutorials, then stay tuned to our channel. Thanks for watching.